Hello, y'all. I'm back on YouTube. It's now 3:08 p.m. So it's raining, and I need help. I'm showing y'all. So it's raining, and I need help with the hotel room. I have no shelter overhead and nowhere to go. I need people to pitch in and help, and I need help for like a week because the weather's gonna be bad like all week. Y'all know I don't have no shelter overhead. It's did I say it's 3:09 p.m. So any ways y'all can help me is in the description box. And as I said, I need any and all the help I can get. So I need whatever donations I can get. See, that's a different one. So that's a different vehicle than usual. So so you know, I have nowhere to go to be safe, warm, and dry.